Welcome back. In this lecture, I'd like to talk with you about the course production requirements. These are the requirements that you must meet to actually produce a Udemy course. Since this course is going to be involved in producing a Udemy course, it's actually more or less the requirements for this course as well. Let's begin at the top, and we'll start with the software requirements. Well, actually, this is your computer. Most of us already have a computer, so there isn't going to be an expense involved in getting one. You can use either a PC or Mac. I'm going to be demonstrating the course creation on a PC. You'll have to translate to Mac language. The next thing that you'll need is some kind of an image editor. We're going to have to make images and so on for the course logo and potentially for our slides and so on. So a simple editor like something that comes with your PC, what is it called? I don't know, image something would probably be fine. Macs, I'm sure, come with even better image editors that are free. If you want to go more full-blown, the GIMP is free. That's why I use it, and I'm going to be showing it in this course. If you want something like Photoshop, you're talking about somewhere around $600. I certainly wouldn't recommend that investment up front. So use some simple image editor that came with your PC or Mac, or download the GIMP and take a look at my courses on using the GIMP to produce images. Next, you'll need Microsoft PowerPoint or Office. Now, many of us, I know in my case, I bought my PC with Microsoft Office pre-installed. You get a discount on the software and stuff like that, and they install it for you. If you haven't done that, it's going to cost you about $140 for Microsoft Office. I don't know, PowerPoint is probably cheaper. You can maybe just pick up that one package for maybe something like $80 or something like that. But most of us, as I say, have Microsoft Office installed. Look at your Start menu and come up and look and see if you have a Microsoft Office directory. If you do, you have everything you need to run PowerPoint. Finally, in the software category, we're going to need the Camtasia video editor. This is what we're going to use to capture screencasts and to edit them. Now, I want to point out that this course is dealing with doing screencasts and PowerPoint presentations. In other words, capturing everything that goes on the computer. If you want to do videos of real live people using a video camera, that's a whole nother set of requirements that you'll have to go out and look for another course, because this one does not cover using a video camera and doing videos and incorporating them. But it surely is possible. Okay, the important thing on Camtasia is getting the 30-day trial. You don't have to pay the $300 up front. Try this out, see if making Udemy courses is going to work for you. You get a full working version of Camtasia and you get it for 30 days, which is typically long enough to at least do one course. Now, the final thing that you will need, and it's hard to avoid this, is I'm using a microphone, headphones with a microphone on it. Now, it happens to be a fairly quality one that I got from Logitech for $69. So it's a fairly small investment to get decent sound, which is the most important thing, I think, for Udemy presentations. So here you go. You have your price list. You have your things that you need to gather. If you can get these 5 things together as cheaply as possible, free is really good, or free trials. Build it and try out Udemy before paying for expensive software.